more. So over here, there's a big mirror that I like to perform my dance moves in. Over here, there's another mirror with squares on it. And the light, I don't know. Oh, I think the light lights up these squares. Yeah, it does. And then down there's a bin and the hairdryer. Here are a whole stack of towels and all of our these. Here we have a kettle with coffee things and cups. Over here is just a table. Over here is my star chocolate, our iPads and ginger, and some food things and a light. And then here are the beds. This is the bed Daddy will be sleeping in. This is the bed I will be sleeping in. And this is the bed Matthew will be sleeping in. So that is the end of the... Wait, no, it's so rough. So over here, we have a nice toilet with a fly. There's a fly in there. And the toilet opens like this. And there's a sink and a shower. So yeah, that was your room tour. That was the room tour. Yeah, that was the room tour. Bye!